View cube in AutoCAD 3D. In navigation toolbar, the first toolbar it is View Cube. You can click here, you will get it View Cube, or go to View and here it is View Cube. Here it is switch on, you will get it here. If you switch off this one, you will not get it here. You can click here or you can click here, you will get it the View Cube. Using this View Cube, we can control the view in AutoCAD 3D and 2D. See here, now I am in south east. See here, south and east. This direction I am. See here, if you go to the each corner or this face, you will get it some highlight. If you click this highlight, it will change to that view. And if you go here, you can see here this corner is highlighting. Now if you click here, you will get it the southwest view and from this top. If you click here, exactly this view you will get it. And if you need to go back to your home view, just click here, it is go back to the home view. Any view you can click and you can get it. I just click here, it is changed to like this, and here it is perspective and parallel. You can change like this. Perspective means it is the real-time view, the perspective view available, and perspective with ortho face available. Like that, lots of controls available. Normally use this parallel. And this view compass, just click this compass and you can make rotate. See here, depends on this rotation, the view cube it is rotating. Rotating the view cube, the object also rotating. This is view cube, view compass. So like that, wherever you want, you can just click that portion and you will get it view. See here, if you click here, you will get it like this view. And if you need to rotate, you can use this arrow. I just click this arrow, it is rotate. If you click here this arrow, it will rotate like this. And if you click this home, you will get it home. But you can change any view and you can save us as a home view. Now I just go to click this southeast isometric in this view control, and I just press this shift key and press the mouse center button. I just rotate like this and I place like this view, and I just click this view cube, right click and select this parallel. Okay, just go near to this view cube and right click, you will get it these all the things. Okay, now it is parallel. Now I am going to save this view as a home view. Now I just right click again, set current view as a home. Okay, I just say save this one. Now I just change here southwest. Okay, and if I click this home, it will go back to the home view. Okay, now I just select this perspective, and if I need to go back to the home, if I click here and it is changed the perspective. Now if you go here, you can see it is parallel. Please go back to the home view. And this is the way to control views using view cube in AutoCAD.